Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to change a Hyundai Kona air filter. Start by locating the cabin and engine air filter housings so you know which panels to remove. Next, gather tools and the correct replacement filter to avoid delays. Always work with the engine cool and the keys removed for safety. I will walk you through removing clips, swapping the filter, and testing airflow so you finish confidently and correctly. Begin by removing the glove box stops or screws so the cabin filter door becomes reachable, and lay a towel to catch debris. Then unclip or unscrew the engine air filter housing while noting clip positions so reassembly is simple. Pull the old filters straight out to minimize dust spread and inspect the housings for leaves or debris. I will explain cleaning the housing and how to orient the new filter for proper fit and airflow direction. Place the new filter into the housing with the airflow arrow aligned to the vehicle's airflow direction, ensuring a snug fit and full contact with the seal. Reattach the engine cover or cabin door, snapping clips or tightening screws evenly so nothing rattles later. Replace the glove box or panel and clear any tools from the area. Finally, test cabin vents and engine idle for smoother airflow and reduced dust, confirming the job was completed correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.